How to see your Instagram sticker responses. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your stickers responses on your Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to Click Command, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first steps first, open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to the bottom right corner and you should be on your profile. Now to see all of the sticker responses that you've done till now, head over to the three lines on the top right. Then head over to your activity. There you will see under how you use Instagram, you will see your activity. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, under interactions, you'll find sticker responses. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll be able to see all of your sticker responses. You can even change your filters here. You can change your filters, dates, and authors. So yeah, you can do that, and that is how you can see your Instagram sticker responses. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.